Lemon pumpkin patch. That's a pony.
I want a horse like that, Dad.
Yeah?
Please.
I'll buy one soon when I buy land. When Daddy buy some land, I'll buy some horses. Yeah? Let's go check train. Pumpkin patch train. Grace love it. Look at Grace. She love it. Having fun, Grace? Yeah? 오빠 돼 있어요. Yeah, look at her.
You like it
Yeah.
so much, huh? You like it so much, huh?
Ash, look at that. You having fun? Yeah? Where we at? Where are we at? Buddy, where we at? Yeah. Yep. We used to have one too, look like that. Oh, look at the pig. That's a huge pig. Living with the goat too. Eating mud.
Yeah, you like it, huh? Oh, sit down.
Hey, Grace, you don't do that. You're gonna fall. Ting ting.